Today we have a very nice Mercedes-Benz 250 SL California Coupe. It's a 4-speed manual. It was long-term owned prior to being traded to us towards another car from our inventory. The California Coupe has this wonderful hardtop, and that is it. No convertible top. So it's one way or the other. Since it's cold outside, we're going to take it for a ride with the top installed. Hello all. So here's our obligatory cold start, which I really don't understand, because if you're selling a proper car, it's mechanically injected, it should go in the cold start regardless, and we should be more worried about temperatures, pressures, which are great in this car. But here is your obligatory cold start. Just did our cold start from the outside. Here we go again. So as you can see, it is in warm-up idle. The oil pressure is great. The temp is freezing cold. We have very little to no fuel, so we are going to warm it up and go straight to the fuel station. Let's get there, let's put some fuel in it, let's warm up the gearbox, let's warm up the car. You could actually see here that if you open this, watch, the glove box light actually works. I could do one on my open the door, close the door. But the light actually works, which is pretty neat. It's rare. There were approximately 5,000 California Coupes. Approximately 1,500 made it to the United States. And we will be right back to you. Well, we're at operating temperatures. We're going to take you through Suburbia a little bit, so you can see how she is around town. It is 30 some odd degrees, but it's beautiful out. Windows are open to try and show you how cool it would be with the top off, because we're not taking the top off. And we're going to take you on the twisty road in a little while, show you that actually quarters pretty well as well. But these cars sort of speak for themselves. They've always done everything right. She's a very nice 250 SL. They're fun. If you get a really good one, it's excellent. Unfortunately, a lot of these did suffer from rust. This is not one of them. Okay, we've let a lot of the traffic go by. Quite nicely. It's got good power. And we're going to let Jason out so we can do our flybys. See you in a minute. size. It's a beautiful day here in Long Island. I must say I really like these cars with a 4-speed. It's an elegant sports car. As you can see, she has lovely cruising capability as well. Great on back roads. Again, just elegant all around town. So I hope you enjoyed the road test. She is an excellent 250 SL California Coupe for the taking. See ya.